Gosh darn, guys, it's raining though, bro.
Oh.
Don't go out there. Y'all stay in here though.
No.
Yeah. Dude, I'm freaking getting wet right here, out here now. And as currently we're talking, it's thundering. There's already people at the beach, bro. Bro. I wonder what's in there, bro. Somebody's in there too. Somebody is in that one, but not these ones. I don't know about those two though. Bro, oh, that logo stinks. Like in this, we're always every time we come up here. Oh, guys, could that be what I think it is? That's a crazy light though. There's a light upstairs too, so I'm thinking. Oh, I bet their vehicle's at the beach already though, because that's what we did in 2019. There's like very, very strong winds with no rain. Dude, I'm getting wet. I'm probably getting wet from the thing up there. It's just like, it's like thundering right now, bro. I can even send this to my mom. Bro! Ah! Bro, that's crazy. That's crazy. What is it like? It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, bro. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning. I think Logan woke up at 4. I did wake up at 4 to turn on Jumanji, bro. Oh, they were from the beach. Oh, shoot. I gotta hold my phone. I can't hold my phone like this no more. It'll fall out. Guys, though. This is Texas, and there is just thunder right now, bro. It's like thunder straight out there. I think there is people that maybe even this one too. And then that one, and then there's nobody in that one for sure. Right? No, shoot, bro. Bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Oh my freaking god. This thunder's loud, bro. Bro, my phone's getting wet by the second. Bro, I wish I had like a water protector screen for it, but this is freaking lit, bro. This is freaking lit. Look at me. I literally just watched like bro, I'm scared. Don't scare me, Logan. Gosh darn. I already have fear fights. Bro, that is insane, guys. That's the thunder started, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, I got a freaking thunder started. I'm gonna put this on my channel. Beto, don't put this on my channel right now. Like the video, subscribe, guys.